Welcome to Chapter 1 of Environmental Studies, Class 5, Our Earth and Our Solar System. Question number 1. Can you tell, look at the picture of the solar system and answer the following question. Which planet is nearest to the Sun? And the answer is Mercury. Question number 2. Look at the picture of the solar system and answer the following question. At what position is the Earth from the Sun? The Earth from the Sun is at the third position. Which planet is placed between the Earth and Mercury? The right answer is Venus. Name the planets beyond the orbit of Mars in serial order. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Which planet is furthest from the Sun? Neptune. Can you tell in which direction do these things fall? Leaves, flowers, fruits from a tree, rocks that come loose from a hillside, rain falling from the sky. Due to the force of gravity, all the things fall towards the Earth's surface. Exercise questions. What's the solution? One of the asteroids has fallen out of its place in the asteroid belt and is hurtling towards the Sun. Our Earth is in its way and there is all likelihood of a collision. What can be done to prevent this collision? The first act to save the Earth can be attacking the asteroid with the help of a missile. A missile can break an asteroid into smaller pieces. The second way is to change the path of an advancing asteroid. For changing the path of the asteroid, spaceship or missile can be used to push the asteroid aside. Space shuttle fitted with mirrors can be used so that the reflected sun rays from such mirror can be bombarded on the asteroid. This will create the pressure on the asteroid and its advancing path can be changed. By the use of laser rays, the surface of asteroid can be subject to evaporation. This will create change in the mass of asteroid. We can also send extra material on the asteroid from the Earth. Such change in the mass of asteroid changes the orbit and the path of the asteroid. By placing a space shuttle in vicinity of this asteroid, the gravitational force could be created. This can also change the speed and the path of the asteroid. Astronomy and astrophysics are so much advanced now that even if such threat exists in future, we can easily protect our Earth inhabitants well in advance. Question 2. Use your brain power. What will happen to our solar system if the Sun were to suddenly disappear? If the sun suddenly disappears, there would be darkness everywhere. All the plants will die as they will not be able to perform photosynthesis. All the planets would stop revolving. The cycle of day and night would come to a halt. There will not be weeks or months anymore. There will be uniformly only one season. Seasonal changes will come to an end. All the equipment which work on solar energy will not work anymore. There will not be any heat and the entire Earth will be cold. The water cycle would stop as the water bodies will not evaporate, forming water vapor and then clouds, and thus there will be no rains. Germs would grow at a rapid pace everywhere on the Earth and this will result into outbreak of many diseases. Question number 2. Use your brain power. Suppose you want to give your address to a friend you have on the planet Mars. How will you write your address if you want them to understand exactly where you live? Kamlesh Dubey Naveen, Babu Bagbe Road, Malad West, Mumbai 400-095, State of Maharashtra, India, Continent of Asia, Earth, third planet in solar system, Milky Way. That should be the full address. In the picture below, correct the sequence of the planets from the Sun. In the above picture, Mars and Earth's positions are interchanged. Similarly, the sequence of Jupiter and Saturn is also changed. Therefore, the wrong sequence in the picture is Mercury, Venus, Mars, Earth, Saturn, Jupiter, Uranus, and Neptune. The correct sequence should be Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Who am I? You can see me from the Earth, but the lighted part of me that you see changes every day. You can see me from the Earth day, but the lighted part of me that you see changes every moon. Who am I? I have my own light. It is only from me that the plants get light and heat. And that's Sun. I have my own light. It is only from me that the planets get light and heat. And that's Sun. I turn around myself, around a planet, and also around a star. Who am I? That's satellite. I turn myself around a planet and also around a star. Who am I? I turn around myself and revolve around the Sun. And that's planet. I turn around myself and revolve around the Sun. Who am I? No other planet has a living world like mine. And that's Earth. No other planet has a living world like mine. And that's Earth. Who am I? I am the nearest star to the Earth. And that's Sun. I am the nearest star to the Earth. For what purpose are rockets used in space travel? Space launch technology is used to send the spacecraft in outer space against the force of gravity. It requires tremendous amount of energy to launch the spacecraft, which is thousands of tons in weight. This energy is obtained through burning of ample quantity of fuel present in the rocket. Thus, rockets are used to launch the spacecraft in space travel. What information do man-made satellites provide? Man-made satellites provide useful information on agriculture, environment, weather forecasting, searching for water and minerals from the Earth. Such information can be used to make maps. Man-made satellites are also used for telecommunications. If you are preparing for scholarship and Navodaya, you can download this app called Coastal Mind. It's available for mediums in Marathi, semi-English and English. You will get videos, notes and exams for practice. If you're interested in creating more customized content just like this one, then you can write an email to contact@schoolwithai.com. I hope you liked the video. Thank you very much.